Guys, what is up? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I am Danielle. I enjoy creating makeup looks for women over 40 and fashion looks for women over 40 and dabble in a little bit of the vlogging, but not too much lately. So today I wanted to create a look that is going to transition us into autumn and fall. I cannot believe it is here. Where did the summer go? I don't know. I didn't even see it. I'm not ready. Usually I'm ready for the stability and like routine of fall, but this year for some reason it just felt like summer didn't even get going. Anyways, all that being said, if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. And if you could click that subscribe button and give this video a like, that would help me out so much. So if you guys ready, let's get into the makeup look. The Burr months are upon us. September, October, November, December. It is getting into that season of year. I know it's still August, but it feels like we are into fall. It's to not be a fall girly, but I have grown to love the seasons and everything that comes with it. The cooler weather, sweaters, shorter nights, pumpkin spice, football, chili, comfort food, chai tea, all of that stuff that encompasses fall. So I used to just be a summer gal, but I've been trying to learn to embrace all the seasons because summer can't last forever. So I wanted to do more of a fall vibe look today. I'm going to start off with my Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Glow tint in the shade 6 Medium. This will just give us a radiant glow. I had the worst sleep last night. I had to go to an allergy specialist today because I have been having crazy hives. For the last 3 months, I have been dealing with itchy, burning all over my body hives that do not go away, and the only thing that helps is when I take the extra strength reactant. So I've seen emergency room doctors, my family doctor, now an allergy specialist. Thankfully, I wasn't allergic to any food because I was going to be so sad if there was something that I love to eat and I was allergic to it. So basically, they're all saying the same thing. It's probably idiopathic hives, which sucks because you don't know what it's from and you don't know how long it's going to last. It just starts abruptly and then all of a sudden you're like, okay, what is happening to my body? Just using some of the liquid contour liquid contour from Rare Beauty. For your scratch test, you can't have any antihistamines in your body for 48 hours prior, so at night is when my hives are the worst. And let me tell you, I was wrapping myself in like a damp towel just to try and subdue the burning and the itching of the hives. I'm gonna get a little bit more blood work done just to see if anything shows up, but basically I gotta ride this one up. Let me know in the comment section if you have dealt with a similar type of thing. I only really know one other person that has, and thankfully it's nice to be able to talk to someone who has experienced a similar thing to you, especially when you don't know what the heck is going on. I'm just going in with my Indeed Nano Bronzing Drops just to add a little bit more bronze to the skin. Popped it up on the cheekbone so it gives that nice sun-kissed glow. Because even though we're getting into fall, I still want to have that sun-kissed look on my face. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Haus Labs concealer in the shade 23 Light Golden. And I have been reaching back to this one, which I thought I kind of was like over it. But I've been enjoying some days having a really natural looking conceal around the eyes, so it just kind of blends in with the foundation. Sorry if you can hear a bunch of barking dogs. Got my window open because now there's that nice fresh breeze happening. That's the one thing I like about going into September. It's just being able to open the windows and get a beautiful breeze. Although I just feel like this summer just didn't get started. I feel like I'm not ready for it to be over. Like, it just felt really different. See, it looks so pretty. It just looks really pretty and natural. So I've really been enjoying this one and circling back to it. Go in with my Essence Contouring Duo Stick and just go in and contour around my lips that were so swollen. Oh my gosh. I will put up a picture of like what my hives look like. And that's not even at its worst. It's like the worst at like 3 or 4 in the morning when it's just full on head to toe hives. I go in with my Essence What a Tint, and I'm going to use this as a little bit of a liner around the lips. Let that sit for a second, and then I'll just kind of blend it through. Just gonna pat that in with my finger. There is the excitement of September. I feel like it's the beginning of the year then. I don't ever feel like January is. I feel like either spring or like September is the start of the year. January is just, there's no starting there. It doesn't feel like you're beginning anything. But I'm curious just to see how the year's gonna go for my kids. 2 of them in high school, 1 is gonna be a senior, 1 in college. I always enjoy that time of the year, like just the beginning of things when you're just like, oh, what's it gonna be like for them, for sports and extracurriculars and just in their personal lives. That is like my favorite thing in the world, is just watching my boys grow up and just seeing all the great things that come to them. We're going to use a few different flush bombs for this look, getting into the deeper tones, the berry tones, some warm, deeper brown colors, so that'll look really pretty. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Postmodern, which is got a mix of the berry and the warmth to it, and we're going to use this on our eyelids. And this is just like an effortless look. So simple and easy, and I'm just gonna pop that up onto the brow bone as well. The colors in this flush bomb are really making my blue eyes pop. I don't usually go for these berry tones on my eyes, but I probably should more often. Just being a flush bomb, it's so sheer and it just doesn't look powdery or like too much. Kind of drag it in under the eye as well. For my cheeks, I'm going to go in with Fox. So this one is a little bit more just on the warm golden brown side, but just a little bit deeper. Little bit of pinky undertone in it as well. Just going to kind of blend that up in towards the eye so they kind of just attach and then just diffuse out. I line my lips a little bit with my signature lip in the shade Tabac. So this is more of a brown tone. And this just glides on like the Flush Balm. It feels like the Flush Balm in a lip form, a lip liner form. Now for my lips, I'm going to go in with the shade Mood, which is the deepest of the three and the most berry. And I'm just going to pat that right on. You can even add a little bit to the outer part of the cheek. I added some mascara to complete the look, and this is the final look. I think it turned out perfect for fall. This is exactly what I was going for, very elegantly chic, but also very kind of natural, just using the Flush Balms and everything, all the cream products just blended seamlessly together, and I'm really liking the berry tones for my complexion, especially with the ginger copper hair. I definitely need to get some more, not even smart, I need to get some clothing in this shade. I think it would just pair really nicely with the shade of my hair right now, and it's just not a color that I reach for, but it is a very flattering color. So all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.